1, go!
All right, all robots beginning their autonomous. Looks like we got, yep, that's 1 up there for the Red Alliance. That's 2 cubes scored during, this autonomous period. 18273, again, trying to get those cubes, but unfortunately missing every time. And we've got 1 park for the Blue Alliance, finishing off their round, also getting their duck off. Looks like both Alliance have gotten their duck off. Oh, and yes, Red Alliance scoring their duck in the shared cargo area.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And here we are starting the driver-controlled period. Robots moving. Looks like, yes, Earthquake is one of those bigger robots that isn't trying to go in between that little gap there. They're going right over the PVC pipes, those giant Mechanum wheels. 310 Stoy Fission scoring another cube in the top of their cargo air zone. But, oh, looks like they might have... no, they've managed to get out that element. It's a definite issue for some teams where they hold too many cargo elements and start getting penalties, but Stoy Fission has the capability to hold one and then expel the other in case it actually gets in there, like you just saw. Red Alliance having a bit of a lead right now, 18754, getting those cargo shipping elements in the top of their shipping hub pretty effectively. And their partner, 7105, is tilting over that shipping hub to their side as well. Blue Alliance is going to have to do a bit of work to catch up, and they are doing that work. You can see the Israeli team scoring in the shared shipping hub, and Stoy Fission, yes, that's right, getting another cube in the top of their shipping hub. Looks like we got 1 minute left, so 30 seconds before the end game begins. Dropping those cubes in as they know how to do. And you'll run into a lot of different teams here. 18754 with a very sleek, small robot. That's one of the best things about the challenges here is these very small, very thin robots that are still very effective. 18754's design, I gotta say, I'm a huge fan of it. Just this like sleek 3D printed, very minimalistic design with that arm there. And they're already prepared to start scoring in that end game, which has now begun. GNC, that's right, getting 1 duck off. 310 Stoy Fission, of course, getting their ducks off as well. GNC reaching out, aiming for one of those team beacons, trying to see if they can cap it. They got 1. Can they land it with only 13 seconds left in the match? Blue Alliance looking like they're not going for any sort of capping, but Red Alliance successfully capping while they're knocking off those ducks. As we have 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's a very close match. It's going to come down to endgame scoring. It could be anyone's game.